What's up, everybody? DRELAMARR back at it with another one. Thank you for coming to the channel, man. I appreciate the support. Please smash the like button, hit the subscribe while you at it. And today, we got some new shoes for the Mustang, man. So I ain't gonna waste y'all time. I'm tired, man. I just got off of work. I'm putting these rims on instantaneously, so that's what we're working with, man. Go ahead, smash that like button, man, and we finna go ahead and pop these wheels on real quick, like. Okay, so here's the before and here's the. God damn it! Why it ain't working for me? Voila! Fresh rims on the Mustang, man. What y'all think? How we looking? Yeah, they not perfect. I know you can see a little dent there, and they're used, but until I get something a lot better, I think these are way better than the ones that was on there. So for the time being, these gonna have to do, you know. Also, I took the spoiler off, but we need some paint back there. I don't want to expose myself, so we ain't gonna get too close up on it, but not looking too bad, I must say. Look pretty decent with the covers on it. So, I don't know, man. Being as this car got this nice little, all these scratches, all these scars on it, I think I'm gonna run with Scar. I think that's gonna be the name of this thing. Cause this thing just got scars and scratches everywhere. Look, just scar. Scar right there, scar right there. Come on, paint back there. Come on, big scars. I think I'm gonna run with the scars. The paint chipping. Come on, Ford. Y'all gotta step the paint game up. Come on, my Lexus just as old. We ain't got no. Look at my baby. I mean, while I'm at it, I might as well float over here. God damn it. Come on, this paint over here just. Come on, man. After all this down here, look at the damn flake. Stop playing with Toyota, man. Do not play with them boys at Toyota, man. They have your big flaky. Hold on, man. Now the light wanna play me. Don't play my flake. Come on now. Give him that flake. It's an 01, by the way. Or is it an 02? I'm hella tired. Come on, man. It's great paint. It ain't fading, it ain't chipping, it ain't nothing nowhere. Just as old as this one. But Ford cheaped out on the paint. But it's all good, man. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. I do appreciate it. I'm tired as hell, but I wanted to make sure I gave you guys this content. If you can, man, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Join the family. Make sure you go over to my brother from another SUPERSON. Go check him out, PVO Gang. I'm going to leave the link down below to his channel, to his IG. Check my brother out, man. He's super lit, man. I know y'all like them Fox bodies, man. And Star ain't no joke, boy. Star's something sexy, so y'all might want to go check that out, man. Don't play yourself. Other than that, we out, man.
Perfect.